My travels have taken me to extraordinary places, each with its own story, its own rhythm, and its own magic. Yet among all these adventures, there is one place that stands out in my memory, a destination that feels almost otherworldly in its beauty and spirit. Manipur, nestled in the far northeast of India, is unforgettable. It's a region often overlooked by many travelers, but those who venture here are rewarded with sights and experiences that linger long after the journey ends. Known as the Jewel of India, Manipur is a land where lush green valleys stretch as far as the eye can see, and ancient traditions are woven into the very fabric of daily life. The air here feels fresher, the colors more vivid, and the sense of history almost tangible. At its heart lies Loktak Lake, a vast freshwater expanse that shimmers under the sun. This tranquil mirror reflects not just the sky and distant mountains, but also the soul of Manipur itself. The lake is a place of peace, where time seems to slow down and nature's wonders unfold before your eyes. The journey from Imphal, the bustling capital, winds through vibrant towns and patchwork fields, each turn in the road building anticipation. The landscape shifts from lively markets to serene countryside, offering glimpses of daily life and the promise of something extraordinary ahead. Loktak is more than just a lake. It is the very soul of Manipur, a living marvel that sustains communities and inspires legends. Its waters nurture life, and its presence is felt in every story told by the people who call this place home. What truly sets Loktak apart are its floating islands, known as fumdis. These unique formations drift gently across the water, creating a dreamlike landscape that feels almost magical. Watching them move, you realize you're witnessing a phenomenon found nowhere else on Earth. This isn't just a destination. It's a living, breathing wonder of nature. The lake teems with wildlife, and every ripple tells a story of harmony between people and the environment. Loktak is a reminder of how beautiful and fragile our world can be. Standing at the edge of Loktak Lake, I knew I was about to witness something truly special, an experience that would stay with me forever. Loktak Lake, nestled in the heart of Manipur, is a place where nature's creativity truly shines. Its magic lies in the fumdis, vast floating masses of vegetation, soil, and organic matter that drift gently across the water's surface. These remarkable islands are not just patches of greenery. They are living, breathing marvels that transform the lake into a dynamic, ever-changing landscape. As the fumdis move with the wind and water currents, they create mesmerizing patterns that seem to dance across the lake, captivating anyone who gazes upon them. Their movement is both graceful and mysterious, adding to the lake's enchanting allure. These floating islands are more than just beautiful. They support a unique and delicate ecosystem. Fumdis provide essential habitat for a wide variety of plants, birds, fish, and other animals, all thriving together in this watery world. Astonishingly, some fumdis are strong enough to support entire human settlements. People have built homes and even small villages on these floating platforms, living in harmony with the lake and its rhythms. The largest of these floating wonders is Cable Lamjau National Park. It is the world's only floating national park and serves as the last natural refuge for the endangered Sangai deer, a symbol of Manipur's rich biodiversity. This floating sanctuary is a true miracle of nature, where land, water, and life blend seamlessly. The lush vegetation and abundant wildlife make it a haven for countless species. The fumdis are the beating heart of Loktak Lake, supporting life both within and around its shimmering waters. They are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature. Witnessing the floating marvels of Loktak was a humbling and unforgettable experience, reminding us of the wonders our planet holds. Stepping onto a fumdi is peculiar. The ground is soft and spongy. People build homes from bamboo and reeds, living in sync with the water. Life here is a dance of simplicity and hard work. Streets are water channels, boats are the only transport. Floating markets thrive, fostering a sense of togetherness. The Fumshongs have developed resilience, adapting to their environment. Their lives show that home is a feeling of belonging. This floating world is profoundly inspiring. The culture of Loktak Lake is inseparable from the water. Every ripple tells a story, and every tradition is shaped by the lake's gentle embrace. For generations, families have lived in harmony with the lake, drawing their livelihoods and spiritual strength from its depths. Fishing here is more than just a means of survival. It is an art, perfected over centuries, using unique methods passed down through families. Each cast of the net is a dance, blending skill, patience, and respect for the water. Fishermen ingeniously create floating rings, known as athafums, to trap fish sustainably. These floating islands of vegetation are carefully crafted, ensuring that the lake's delicate balance is maintained for future generations. Their techniques are cultural treasures, showing deep natural knowledge. Every knot tied and every tool used reflects a profound understanding of the ecosystem, honed through years of observation and experience. Folklore and beliefs connect them spiritually to the lake. Stories told by elders and rituals performed at the water's edge keep the community's bond with Loktak alive and strong. The lake is revered as a living entity, a mother goddess who provides for her children and demands respect in return. Offerings and prayers are made to honor her, seeking blessings for abundance and protection. This sacred relationship fosters stewardship and respect for the environment. Community members work together to care for the lake, ensuring its health and vitality for all who depend on it. Visitors to Loktak Lake can feel this deep cultural heritage in every aspect of life here, from the warmth of the people to the timeless traditions that continue to thrive on the water. The best way to experience Loktak Lake is by boat. A local guide led us through narrow channels, revealing beautiful vistas. We saw floating homes, children paddling boats, and fishermen at work. The journey offered a glimpse into a unique world. The lake is a sanctuary for wildlife and a biodiversity treasure. Exploring by boat reveals this rich natural world up close. Loktak challenges ideas of landscape and community. It's an adventure for the soul, unforgettable and inspiring.